Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, specially I upload videos related to math of class 11, become BSc, engineering and higher class also. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like and share. Okay. Now we are going to discuss a two-dimensional coordinate related chapter, pole and polar. Okay. Here the problem is perpendiculars are drawn, product of the perpendiculars drawn from foci of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1 to the polar with respect to the given ellipse. Product of the perpendicular drawn from foci of the ellipse, this one, to the polar with respect to the ellipse. Find the locus of the pole. Product of the perpendicular drawn from the ellipse, drawn from the foci of the ellipse to the polar with respect to the ellipse is given is c square is given. C square. Okay. Product of the perpendicular, that means length of the perpendicular. As the ellipse has two focus, therefore perpendiculars are drawn from two focus to the polar of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and product of the length of the perpendicular is c square. We have to find the locus of the pole. Okay. Polar, let the pole be alpha beta. Therefore locus polar with respect to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is x alpha by a square y beta by b square equal to 1. Okay. Minus 1 equal to 0. As we know that coordinate of foci are plus minus a 0 if a greater than b. Therefore perpendiculars are drawn from this point to the polar, this one. Say length of the perpendicular drawn from a, 0 to the polar, this one is p1. Therefore ae alpha by a square 0 beta by b square minus 1 root under alpha square by a to the power 4 beta square by b to the power 4 p1. After cancellation, we get E alpha by A minus 1 by root under alpha square by A to the power 4 beta square by B to the power 4. Okay, E alpha by A plus minus 1 divided by this one. Similarly, P2, length of perpendicular drawn from another focus to the polar, this one, minus E alpha by A minus 1 by root under alpha square by A to the power 4 beta square by B to the power 4 as product of these two perpendicular, length of the perpendicular drawn from foci to the polar, product is C square, which is given as P1 and P2. P1 into P2 is given C square. Therefore, E alpha by A minus 1 minus E alpha by A minus 1 divided by alpha square by A to the power 4 beta square by B to the power 4 is equal to C square. Product of the length of the perpendicular drawn from foci to the polar is C square. Therefore, minus E square alpha square by A square minus 1, taking minus sign first of all as common from this one, then A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square, okay, is equal to C square into alpha square by A to the power 4 beta square by B to the power 4. As we know that E square equal to 1 minus B square by A square in case of an ellipse. Therefore, A square minus B square by A square, 1 minus alpha square by A square into A square minus B square by A square is equal to C square alpha square by A to the power 4 beta square by B to the power 4. Okay. A to the power 4 minus alpha square A square plus alpha square B square by A to the power 4 C square B to the power 4 alpha square A to the power 4 beta square by A to the power 4 B to the power 4. Okay. Taking alpha square as common, A to the power 4 B to the power 4 minus alpha square A square B to the power 4 alpha square B to the power 6 C square B to the power 4 alpha square C square A to the power 4 beta square Therefore, taking alpha square as common from this one and this one, alpha square c square b to the power 4 plus a square b to the power 4 minus b to the power 6 plus c square a to the power 4 beta square is equal to a to the power 4 b to the power 4. Therefore, locus taking b to the power 4 as common. Therefore, b to the power 4 c square plus a square minus b square alpha square, locus x square c square a to the power 4 y square a to the power 4 b to the power 4. Locus of alpha beta, we have to put x instead of alpha and that of beta y instead of beta. Therefore, locus of the pole b to the power 4 under bracket c square plus a square minus b square into x square plus c square a to the power 4 y square equal to a to the power 4 b to the power 4. Very easy to solve. If any doubt, please comment me. I will clear your doubt. And thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.